How to get $200 academic coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in academic coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for academy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check 25% off, 20% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just click on the offer. So here is the code, copy it, then click on Redeem at Academy Sports. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as on this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for academy. This way, you can easily get up to $200 academic coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.